Hi everyone, I am Jeff Barth, owner and CEO of JWB Manufacturing. JWB is located in the heart of Tempe, Arizona. We are known for our standard and custom wire cutting and stripping plates. Why don't you come on into my shop? Customer satisfaction is just as important to us as making custom, one-of-a-kind, unique plates. It's easy to do business with us. We are the only company in the world that offers our wire cutting and stripping blades online for sale. Just like JWB's roots, all of our products are start and are completed in Tempe. If any of you are planning to visit the Wire Processing Expo in Milwaukee in May, please stop by our booth. I'd love to meet you. Please follow and like our Facebook page and subscribe to our mailing list so you can get our newsletter